Hey, you hams. Are you looking for some new equipment? Maybe a radio and antenna? But you don't want to look around for the best prices? Well, hey, I got something for you. It's HamRadioPrices.com. That's right, HamRadioPrices.com. This website has been developed and designed by a ham for hams. It has all the major brands and even some of the little guys in here. And what is so cool about this, it tells you right there, if you click on it, what the best price is, where you could buy it, and how much it was in the past. So if it was on a good deal before, maybe it's on a deal now. This is the time to buy, or maybe wait a little bit. You don't have to go around and click everywhere. This is going to be showing you all the current prices from all over the world, where you want to shop and get this stuff. So you guys, don't wait. Go check it out. Like I said, it's HamRadioPrices.com. Easy enough as that. You don't need to buy anything, but I would suggest that you guys get on that website and start looking now, because you know what? You may not be able to get that radio someday and you wish you would have bought it now. For now, you guys, see hams on the bands. See you at this website. Drop any comments on the bottom. I'll put the link for the website in below. And 73s.